In the northern region of Brazil, people use 200 horsepower motorboats to transport cattle across vast rivers. This method helps move livestock to new lands or grazing areas. After completing the cattle transport, the people move pigs from the farms onto trucks, which are then loaded onto 200 horsepower motorized trains. The trains will transport the pigs to other areas for import and processing, meeting market demand. During the operation of a JCB excavator to load cargo onto a truck, an unexpected accident occurred, causing the machine to tip over. Emergency rescue operations were carried out using both the JCB excavator and a case backhoe. This unforeseen incident disrupted the work and required prompt action to prevent further damage. It is truly impressive to witness the JCB excavator washing itself in the river. During this process, it not only gets cleaned, but also performs daring stunts, leaving viewers in awe. The JCB excavator is not only powerful, but also highly versatile in all situations. Transporting the 235,394.34-pound Komatsu D475 bulldozer from the mining site to the service unit is a major challenge. The process requires the assistance of another Komatsu D475 to load the equipment and a Komatsu WA600 wheel loader to unload it. This operation demands skill, coordination, and specialized equipment. The scene is truly astounding. The demolition of the silo did not go as planned, resulting in a serious incident where part of the public library was destroyed. This took everyone by surprise, as the unexpected mishap directly impacted such an important cultural landmark. Witness an impressive heavy transport operation as the massive Liebherr 974 excavator is relocated over a distance of 262,467 feet. The move is carried out using a Goldhofer hydraulic trailer and the powerful MAN TGX 41.680 truck, a perfect combination for such extremely heavy-duty tasks. The thunderous sound from the demolition site serves as a testament to the power of the demolition excavator. The crew operated the equipment expertly, completing the task in an impressive manner and delivering results beyond expectations. At the construction site in Eschborn, the Hitachi ZX870 LCH excavator was used to demolish the AWR foundation. With its exceptional power, the machine completed the demolition task with precision and efficiency, playing a key role in the project's progress. Every day at the Garzweiler 2 open pit mine, the giant 258 bucket wheel excavator relentlessly tears through the landscape, digging deeper and deeper. This powerful machine, along with the rotary excavators and large-scale shovels, works around the clock, continuously changing the appearance of the mining area. The FP Helia yacht, equipped with 2X 60 horsepower engines, was transported from the factory in Aigreful-Donis to La Rochelle. The move went smoothly thanks to thorough preparation, ensuring the massive vessel was ready for its next journey. Heavy transport in Berghausen is a challenging process that requires precision and advanced technique. Specialized equipment and vehicles are used to transport bulky objects, ensuring safety and efficiency under all conditions. The Felbermayr Liebherr LR 11000 equipment, capable of switching between two wind turbines, uses a 12-axle SPMT at a wind farm. This transportation process requires precision and advanced techniques to ensure the efficient and safe installation of the wind turbines. In a challenging project, the PTC 200DS crane successfully completed the impressive task of lifting a 3,527.392-pound wash tower. With its exceptional load-bearing capacity, this equipment ensured the safe lifting and transportation of the tower, effectively supporting industrial projects that demand both strength and precision. The giant crane, resting at the bottom of the ocean, was finally illuminated by light. It was lifted by Europe's largest crane, Samson. The crane was then safely transported to the surface, demonstrating its exceptional power and operational capability.